Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. Our next topic is breathing on page number 101. Students, breathing is a simple way of exchanging gases between the lungs and the surrounding air, taking in oxygen and getting rid of carbon dioxide. The structure of lungs are described by a diagram of structure of lungs. This is the diagram containing two lungs inside the rib cage that provide protection. Nose and mouth are openings through where gases moves inside the lungs. This is trachea. It is a long tube or also called windpipe that is divided into two next tubes called bronchus, and these bronchus may be divided into small bronchioles. Each bronchiole have a air sac known as alveoli, and this alveoli have a large surface area for the absorption of gases, mainly oxygen. This is the structure of alveoli are arranged in a bunch like a bunch of grapes, and Blood brings carbon dioxide to the lungs, and carbon dioxide was produced in respiration in the cells. Another phenomenon, blood takes oxygen away every cell in the body where it is used for respiration. Our next phenomenon, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, the muscles between the ribs contract, lifting rib cage up and expanding the chest. At the same time, muscles contract, flatten the diaphragm, and this makes the space inside the ribcage bigger and reduce the air pressure inside the lungs. Air moves into lungs from the outside, and this is known as breathing in. But in breathing out, in this diagram you can see that the rib muscles relax, flatten, ribcage falls down, and the chest gets smaller. In air pressure put out the lungs, the diaphragm relaxes, and this let it upward movement. This forces the air out of the lungs and through nose and mouth. That are two openings present here. Next two topics, lung capacity and breathing rate. It means that how much air can a lung can hold, and breathing rate is different in normal breathing and in exercise. Now test yourself. What is breathing? Exchange of gases between lungs and the surrounding air. Where does air enter the body? Nose and mouth. Name the tubes that carry air. Trachea. Describe how oxygen travels from lungs to the body cells by diffusion. Give 3 reasons why alveoli are good for gas exchange. The answer is because alveoli are thin, they are moist. Also, they have large surface area. Next question, what is mucus? Sticky liquid. What are cilia? Tiny hairs. Last question, explain why your lungs capacity and breathing rate are larger when you are exercising. Because more oxygen is required during exercise. On very next page, exercise multiple choice questions. You can mark the answers on your books from here. Question number 2, true false. Now, third question, some questions and the answers are present here. You can also see the exercise questions from here and write the answers on your notebooks. Thank you.